Guys, I didn't ask this cat to. I didn't ask him for permission in the video, so I'm just gonna ask now. Cat, do you want to be in the video? Hey, come on, just be in the video. Come on, just be in the video. Okay, he tried to block it, but no, he has 6 paws. Yeah, see that? Cutest cat ever coming soon. Meow. If you didn't see that, you don't sneeze. Okay, well, bye everybody. Have a great day. Subscribe because it's my birthday. So.